Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So today we have a double unboxing. As you can see, I did pick up these items from Fashion File. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this double unboxing. Okay everybody, so quick story time before I get into the unboxing. I did go actually, this is my very first time going into the Fashion File headquarter, HQ, in Carlsbad. Because if you guys are not aware, San Diego. So I did go into the headquarter, which I was so excited to actually go pick up these items. So these two items, I actually purchased them during the recent Fashion File 10% off sale, which I am so excited about. So I was able to actually, because both of these were at the California location, so I was able to go into HQ and pick up the bag because I was in the area. So it was really, I think this is like even more super special than for them to ship it, because a lot of times I bought from Fashion File, and even though it's coming from the California location, I always have them ship it. So this was the very first time that I actually went into the store. So I'll put a little bit of a video. I didn't really shoot a lot in there, but I'll just put a little sneak peek of what I shot. It has, oh my God, the most beautiful the colors on that wall. I was just fascinated. So I'll put that footage in now so you guys can see. I just did a little bit. So enjoy that. And then we'll just get back into the we get back into the unbagging, because it's not a box, but it's two items that I picked up, which I'm so excited to add to my collection. So without any further ado, let's get into the unbagging. All right, so let's get this very first item. And so, and I think honestly, I'll do it like this double unboxing is mark a special occasion. Obviously, um, hitting 5K, so this was like kind of like a celebration for myself. So for all of my new subscribers, welcome to the Bag of Style family. All of my old subscribers, thank you guys for the continuing support. So I wanted to mark this occasion by doing a double unboxing, because I haven't really done double unboxing. I've done unboxing here and there and stuff like that, but haven't really done a double unboxing. So because to mark my 5K subscriber mark, I wanted to do a double unboxing, well, a double unbagging, okay? And going into the Fashion File headquarter in California was even more the icing on the cake, okay? So without any further ado, let's get into the first item that I picked up. 3, 2, 1. You probably already know what it is. So I did pick up my second Fendi baguette. I did already unbox another Fendi baguette. So now I have two Fendi baguette. But guys, guess what the even more amazing thing was? I got this bag like maybe 47% off, because this was on the last chance section of Fashion File. It was already like 32% off, and then with the additional 10% of it brought it to 42%. And guys, Fashion File listed this as in excellent condition. And when I went into the Fashion File HQ office, first of all, they didn't box anything. They wanted me to see it, examine it first before I took it home. And I examined it, because one thing about the Fendi baguette, the corner, it's so easy for it to get like wear. And many Fendi pieces, that's one thing I've noticed, because now that I've actually built up my Fendi collection, the leather actually seemed to like, uh, uh, um has like, rubbing and stuff like that. But the corners are excellent. It still got the plastic on the hardware, so the plastic is still there. And then it has the leather strap right here. So you guys already know, because I have a blue one now. So you have this right here, and it has the Fendi info right here. So the only thing it really didn't come with is the box, and I'm okay with that. But it came with everything else. So I think if it had come with the box, it would have been giftable on condition. But it comes with the tag right here. It comes with the dust bag right here, the Fendi dust bag, and it comes with like the little tag, another tag right here of what it is. So this is in the wasabi color. It's giving me honestly more of like a avocado kind of color, and I think it's so beautiful for the summer. There isn't any rubbing, there isn't any darkening on the side, because those are stuff to look for when you're buying a Fendi baguette. That's one thing I've noticed. And then you have the one pocket in here, and then it's just a black open space. But guys, this thing is in excellent condition. There isn't, and then also on here it has the plastic on here. So you guys know the other one that I just ordered, it was in great condition, that I got through Vestia Collective VI rebag. So that was in great condition, but you could see it had more of like rubbing and things like that. There was some places that has a little bit like but even at that one, it has like the plastic on the hardware, which is just like amazing for me. This one is even in even better condition than that one. So I was super excited when I saw this. And the crazy part is, it's not really crazy. The amazing part is that I had actually liked this, favorite this, and was looking at it. But then when that extra 10% came up, I was like, oh, thank you. So you guys are paying the taxes for me, which is which is even amazing. I thought it didn't have the top handle. I was about to be like, hold on, wait, where's my top handle? So with the Fendi baguette, it does have two handle. It comes with the short one if you don't want to wear the strap, and then it comes with the strap. And one thing is that even though I'm petite, I'm like 5'3.5". The Fendi baguette sit high when I try to do crossbody, but you can wear it crossbody, but it just sit really high. It doesn't sit like by the hip. It's like right under, like right under my rib cage kind of thing. So it does sit high, but to me it's still comfortable. So I don't have any issue with it. And this green, guys, this green is popping. Like I am just excited about this green. Like there is really nothing wrong with this. It obviously it says creasing, and with the Fendi baguette, if you have on a Fendi baguette, or if you're a Fendi baguette lover, if you don't have a Fendi baguette, the crinkle, like the wrinkle, the creasing, that's basically how the bag is made. So even if you go buy this brand new in store, it would have the creasing on there because it's made with Napa leather. So I'll probably do a full review video once I've used this, several times. And one thing I could tell you, my blue one has been on heavy rotation. Like since I got it, I haven't put it down. I haven't used any other bag. I've been using it every single day. So that's to tell you how much I already love this bag. So when this green one came in at that 40% off, I was like, oh, I'm getting it. So it literally was like 42% off retail. So the initial and it's in excellent condition from Fashionable, because I know this is like over $3,000 bag, and I didn't even pay that. So when you can save, I'm telling you guys, save. It's your money. You work hard for it. So save as much as you can. And the fact that I got this for excellent condition, and like I said, it would have probably been giftable if it came with the box, because it came with everything. It's literally a full set that still got the sticker and everything. I think maybe somebody bought it, didn't like the color, and was like, oh, I'm going to sell it to Fashion File. So, and the crazy part is that Fashion File have a lot of these colors, like multiple of this color still in like the 2000 range, 2700, 2800. This came down to like 1900 plus the 10% on top of that, came down to like 17. So definitely a great buy. So I am super excited to add another Fendi baguette to my collection in this beautiful green with a yellow kind of undertone to it. This is going to be the perfect bag for summer. So without any further ado, let's open the next bag. Sorry, I just had to move that. So the second bag actually came full set. Now let me move with my Fashion File bag. So you guys know, if you've been around my channel, I am a lover for Saint Laurent. I don't care what nobody says. I love my Saint Laurent. And this is a piece I don't have in my collection. Well, I have the baby version of it, but I don't have this size. Okay, so without any further ado, and I think that would have given you a clue if you've been around my channel. So you got the box, got the dust bag. I did pick up the YSL the YSL Lulu in the size small, guys. So this is in the size small, in this beautiful, I don't even know what color. Let me see what the color that Fashion File even put a color on here. Nah, it just says it comes with the box and the dust bag. It doesn't really put a color, but I'll probably put the listing up so you guys can see. But guys, this color, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a pumpkin, like like inside of a pumpkin, like, oh, I love this color. And I was just thinking about, I was like, this is gonna be the perfect like fall bag, but even summertime, because you can wear it summer as well. So I was just thinking about it. I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be the perfect bag for that time frame. Hold on, I'm just seeing some, some mark and stuff on the flap. So that's what I was just looking at. So I don't know what this is. It looked like it's something that actually come off. So let's see, because it doesn't say anything, any marking on it. Okay, it looked like it's glue, so that will come up. So I just, sorry about the shaking right there. Um, okay, so you do have a little bit of like marking and stuff, but it looked like I can just clean it with my Average Deluxe wipes. So you guys not, I rave about that wipes. I use it on all of my pre-love bag, like I've said in so many different videos. So this come with the strap, so you can actually wear shoulder, or you can wear crossbody right here when you bring it up. And then you have the YSL symbol right here. And I love the fact that it's that age gold hardware. I think it's so pretty. Another thing also that I was looking about this bag was the corner, because a lot, and this one was in excellent condition as well. So the corner usually have wear. So I really was paying attention to it. And on here, it doesn't look like it has any corner wear right here. Let me see if I can focus it. And then right here, as you can see right here, it don't look like it has any corner where it doesn't look anything on the bottom, because I just want to make sure there isn't anything on here, because I do have 14 days to return it if it doesn't work out. One thing that I did notice, I'm not sure exactly what this is, and maybe the wipes will get it. As you can see, it's like a little, I'm not sure if it's picking up. Maybe yeah. So you see right here, it's like a little dot right here, but I don't know exactly what it is. If it's a rain dot, if it's rain or something. So I'm gonna use my wipes and see if I can wipe it off, if it will actually come off, or if it's a rain. Sometimes with the rain and stuff like that. Now let's look on the back. So the thing about this bag, it doesn't have a back pocket, as we know. The Lulu doesn't have it, so this is in the size small. So just looking at the back, make sure there isn't anything on here. Okay, nothing on here, nothing on here. Ah, okay. And then it has the Saint Laurent on the grommet on the top. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you have, let's see, just opening up. It looks like it has a little bit of, I don't know what it is. You see right here, like lint. So I'm definitely gonna have to clean it up to see what it is. It's like a lint or something. Then let's look on the inside. The inside look good. Let's look on here. It looks good. And then on this inside look good. So the only thing it doesn't come with the booklet. But I'm okay with that. I don't have any issue. You do have like some white spots on here. So I don't know if it's like the storage and things like that. So I'm definitely gonna wipe it. You see right here? It has some white spots. So I definitely need to wipe that down, see how it looks. But that's really it. That's all the thing that I noticed on the bag. And let me smell it. Okay, it doesn't have any foul smell or anything, no cologne, no smoke smell, nothing. So yeah, so this is the definitely the second piece. Oh, sorry about that. This is the second piece that I did pick up from the temper the from the Fashion File 10% off specific items, and then obviously you see it says Saint Laurent on the top. So I just love this color. I think this color is pretty. I don't really have this color in my collection at all, so this is definitely a new addition in the size, because I do have this in the toy size, but I don't have it in the small size. So definitely this is going to be a new addition to my collection. So anyway, guys, as I say, thank you guys so much for allowing me to hit 5K, guys. We are 5K strong on YouTube. You guys are so amazing. I am thinking about doing a giveaway, but I don't know exactly what it is. I'll probably put a poll on my community page forgive me, on my community page on what you guys want the giveaway to be, because I did do a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I think it would be good now to do another giveaway now that I'm at 5,000 subscribers. So I'll put a poll on my community if you guys can vote. Let me know exactly what it is that you guys want as part of the giveaway. And then I'll do another video that talks about the rules and everything for the giveaway. And then I'll choose a winner. But anyway, thank you guys for the continuing support. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.